28th of January 2021, the end of dealer finance commission. Let's hope so. Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is just a very quick 2-minute update. If you remember, a couple of months ago, actually maybe a bit longer time ago than that, I did a quick video on the new FCA ruling, which is changing the way that dealers can make commission on the car finance that you and I purchase. Well, really good news is that as of yesterday, the 28th of January 2021, this new rule has now become live. As it says here, look, on the FCA Financial Conduct Authority website, FCA to ban motor finance discretionary commission models. This was dated back in July last year, but because of the pandemic, it was delayed until the 28th of January 2021. But essentially, it basically means that some car retailers and motor finance brokers were receiving commission linked to the interest rate that customers pay. So obviously, if you pay a higher interest rate, chances are that the dealer was getting a higher amount of commission. So that has been banned from yesterday. So hopefully we should see better interest rates being offered straight away, rather than you having to haggle all the time, because no longer is the interest rate being linked directly to commission. So hopefully it should be really good news. So look out for that if you're going into a dealer and buying a car on finance. It'd be interesting to see if anything's changed. This isn't to say that they still won't get commission. They can still get commission from a finance product, but it should be a lot more transparent, and I think they have to actually declare, if you ask, what commission they are getting for that product. I hope that was useful. I'm going to be back this evening with a new salary sacrifice video using the new spreadsheet. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a few different examples for different taxpayers, and we're going to compare kind of the best current price on leaseloco.com versus some indicative. It's very difficult to actually get an exact price unless you are registered with a salary sacrifice provider, but versus some indicative prices for different taxpayers. So we're going to compare, is it actually worth going down a personal lease, or is it better to go down a company salary sacrifice scheme? So hopefully that'll be out this evening. So stay tuned and I will see you very soon. Thank you.